Hello! I'm here today to teach you how to make a craft about the beach and the ocean. Look, we can see many things. Fish, shark, whale, octopus, jellyfish. We can see the things from the beach, like a beach ball, a crab, shell, sandcastle. It's gonna be super fun. Okay, so here are the materials you are going to need. You need a transparent Ziploc, the ones that you can open like this, okay? You are going to need a black marker to draw on the plastic. You're gonna need colored markers to color the things you draw. Then you're going to need a black piece of paper to put inside the Ziploc, like this, okay? You're also gonna need a white paper to draw and color your flashlight. First, you separate your Ziploc bag in two parts. One for the sand and one for the ocean. In the sand, in the beach, you can draw the things that you see at the beach, like shells, crabs, you can draw a starfish, a pail and a shovel, a beach ball, all the things that you see at the beach. And in the part of the ocean, you can draw the sea animals, like a jellyfish, a shark, an octopus, a whale, and of course, fish. Ok? Então, vocês vão desenhar com calma, preenchendo todo o seu Ziploc com os desenhos tanto da beach quanto do ocean, ok? Eu vou pegar esse aqui já pronto. Olha só esse meu. So, first you draw and second you color. So, use your colored markers to color everything. Vamos pegar os colored markers para colorir tudo que a gente desenhou, tanto do lado do ocean quanto do lado da beach, ok? After you draw and color, you're going to use your black paper and put inside the bag, the Ziploc bag, like this. On a white paper, you are going to draw a flashlight. Then you color and use a scissor to cut. Your flashlight is gonna look like this. And here is the final result. You have to put your flashlight inside the bag. Hope you had fun. Bye bye.